Hey guys, this is Leopard Bookshop. Last time we were doing part 1 of the first on adventofcode.com. If you don't know what Advent of Code is, please check out my last video about this. Today we are going to do part 2 of the first, which is just down here. I'm not going to read the question just to make this video go quicker, so read the question in your own time. I'm going to go straight to the answer. So, if you want to just know the answer, it's right here, but stick around for the explanation. So this right here is my code. This is quite similar to the code that we did for the first one, but it is a bit different. It's longer for a start. So we've got the same sort of variables. We've got count, highest, but we've also got highest 2 and highest 3. This is because when you read the question, we need to find the second highest elf and the third highest elf. So we're going to open the file. Again, my file is called elfnum. Your file could be anything, but make sure you adjust it just there. This number could be any letter. Allnum e.readlines. And I would have explained this in the last video. You strip it to get rid of all these /n's. And now, any line that's a number, no, it's not a blank. So all these numbers, not this one. We're just going to print it. Then we're going to do count equals count plus int line. As I explained in my last video, you can do that. It does exactly the same thing. And int line, because we need to transfer the line, which is currently a string, into an integer, which is what int does just there. Else, we print blank line. This just, as we can see when we run this just prints blank, where we've got a blank line. And we're going to print count. Count always come after the blank, just like there. If count is bigger than highest 3, print higher than 3. If count highest 2, and if count is bigger than highest 3. We have got else's, but these are down here. So how this works is we are going to find which one is the highest. So the first number that comes is going to be put as highest. Then the second number, if it's higher than highest, it will be put as highest, and the current highest will be shifted down to highest 2. But if it's not bigger than highest, it will just go to highest 2. And then the same thing will happen. It will check if it's bigger than highest 2, and then it will check if it's bigger than highest. If it's bigger than highest 2, it will replace highest 2. Highest 2 will be shifted to highest 3. And this will just continue. Each number will be checked against all 3 variables, and they will all be shifted down. Then right here we make, this is all the shifting done there. And then just like in the first challenge, we make highest equal to count. Here we shift them down and make highest 2 equal to count, and here we make highest 3 equal to count. We then print the highest is, string highest. Again, you have to make this a string. You can't combine integer and string, it just does not work. Print highest 2 and print highest 3. The question says that you have to write it as the sum of all 3 elves. You can see right there in total. Sum of all 3 elves. So high sum is the sum of highest 2 and highest 3. Print the sum of all highest is, and then string high sum. Again, integer and string can't mix. Count equals 0. So this all starts again with count fresh. You can see all this happening here. You can see the numbers come in. We've got a blank. Then all this, then it goes through all these checks. Count is then printed, and we see the highest 2, and highest 3. Then they are all added together, and this is the sum of all highest. We can see this changing as it all shifts down as you go further up. So that's basically how you do it, guys. If you still don't understand, comment down below. I'll see you soon. Like and subscribe for more. Bye, guys.